Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can enable data layer on your WordPress website. So first go to your WordPress dashboard and then on the left panel hover over the plugins and then click on add new plugin. After that go to the search and then here search for GTM. And this is the plugin, just click on install now. Activate. Now hover over the settings and then click on Google Tag Manager. Now here we need to enter the Google Tag Manager ID. So let's select the Tag Manager ID. Go to google.com and then here search for Google Tag Manager. Click on the first link. Now we need to create an account. Just click on create account. Account name. Here write a account name. You can write your company name or domain name. Here select your country or you can choose any of country. Share data anonymously with Google and other. You can tick mark this or you can leave this. Container setup. Here enter your container name. Like you can add your domain name or you can add your company name. Target platform, choose web. Now go to bottom and then click on create. Now scroll down and then tick mark this. Now on the top right corner click on yes. And we have created Google Tag Manager account. Now close this. Now let's find out the Google Tag Manager ID. So go to top and then here you will see the Tag Manager ID. You can copy this, just select and right click on copy. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard and then paste the code here. Now scroll down and then click on save change. Now again go to container code, click on and then scroll down and then click on save changes. Now go to your Google Tag Manager and then click on preview. Now here enter your domain name. So copy the domain name and then paste it here. Click on connect. So we have successfully connected the tag manager. Now close it. Click on other side and then now go to data layer and then here you will see the data layer is not enabled. So let's make enable the data layer. So go back to your WordPress dashboard to enable the data layer. Now go to integration and then go to e-commerce, track e-commerce, just tick mark this, then scroll down, click on save changes. Now go to your Google Tag Manager and then click on reopen, close it, and then here you will see the data layer, current value of the data layer. So now you can see lot of data. Now let's open a product. So let's open this product. And then here you can see the product name, item name, assorted coffee. You can see the item name. So the data layer is perfectly working. So let's click on add to cart, view cart. So the event is firing, single page. So that's how you can enable data layer on your WordPress website. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.